Alex writes in, I recall when reading through the Ninja materials that there is a way to alter your proposed plan for each section of the CPA exam, but I can't seem to find it now. I'm about to study for BEC again. Your BEC plan calls for 7 weeks of study time, but I'm trying to study for the month of April and take it at the end of April, basically so I can use May, study for auditing, and take it at the end of May. So basically I'm trying to trim 7 weeks into 4 for both exams. Do you have any advice on how to go about doing this? I'm trying to use only Ninja to study for both of these since my Becker subscription runs out in July and I don't want to pay the $3,000 again. I've taken BEC 3 times already. Once before the Q2 change last year and twice since. I've scored 70 and 74 all 3 times. Okay, so the Ninja Study Planner has BEC in 5 weeks. So I don't have it to where you can alter it. So you'll have to, so the BEC in the audit Ninja Study Planner is for 5 weeks. So you can download that inside of Ninja Monthly, but you can also click the link below this video. You can download the Ninja Study Planner. It has a 7-week plan for FAR and a 5-week plan for BEC auditing and regulation. Those are aggressive, and that's okay. You can dial it back a notch, but that's really for people who are like, hey, I really got to get this done fast. And 7 weeks for FAR isn't necessarily fast, but like that's a quick pace, and especially for BEC 5 weeks, auditing 5 weeks, that's solid right there. That's aggressive for reg, I should say. So I hope that's helpful.